Ito na, mga kababayan ko, breaking news. BBM, John Vic Rimulya binulaga ng angkor ng ANC channel po na si Ses Drilon. BP Sara, suportado na sa 2028. Halaka, mga kababayan. Pati mga mainstream media, pabor na kay BP Sara. Anong ibig sabihin nito, mga kababayan? Ay nako, mga kababayan ko. Di ba dati si Corina Sanchez, pabor na pabor kay BP Sara. Ngayon naman, si Ses Drilon, kumampi na kay Sara. Totoo kaya, mga kababayan? Ito yung title, oh. PBBM, John Vic Rimulya, nabulaga. Sinupalpal ng todo ni Ses Drilon. Totoo kaya, mga kababayan? Tignan po natin ang sumambulat na balita dito kay General's Viewpoint na si General Macanas. Magaling po ito, mga kababayan. Dito tayo kumukuha ng mga balitang sumasabog sa social media na talagang pinag-uusapan sa buong mundo. Eto na po ang panoorin nyo. Totoo kaya ang lahat ng ito? Eto po.
Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion itong post ni Sas Rugando Sasot. Sabi lang niya, Ses Drilon, binasag mo naman si Rimulya. Tapos may umiiyak na emoji. Nakakalungkot. So, paano binasag o sinupalpal, binuking ni Ses Drilon si Rimulya? Ito, mayroong interview.
Ayan, mga kababayan. I-check po natin itong post ni Ruganda Sasot, mga kababayan, kung totoo, di ba? Si Sas Ruganda Sasot. Check nga natin ito. Sasot. Ito, mga kababayan, ano bang sabi niya dito? Totoo kaya ito? Ito, mga kababayan. Sobrang dry na to. Di ba abogado si Sara? Bakit wala pa siyang kinakasuhang korap? Halaka, mga kababayan ko. Yari ang mga ito kung ano-ano mga tangalista. I-check nga natin yung post ni Ruganda Sasot dito. Kung anong nabulaga, mga kababayan ko. Eto, mga kababayan ko, i-check nga natin to. Mga kababayan, i-check nga natin yung mga bali-balita dito. Kung anong sinabi ni Sasot dito. Mga kababayan. Ano bang sinasabi dito? Hindi natin makita yung post. Dito na tayo kay, mga kababayan ko. Kay General Macanas. Ito po.
I think One News PH, itong si Ses Drilon, mga veterano na ito. Mga kabats ito ni na Corina Sanchez, Karin Davila. Saludo ako dito kay Ma'am Ses Drilon. Ito yung mga may mga prinsipyong journalist.
Ayan, mga kababayan na. I-check nga natin to, mga kababayan. John Vic Rimulya, Ses Drilon. Check nga natin interview. Ano bang pinag-usapan nila, mga kababayan? Naku po, nasupalpal na naman. Grabe talaga. Hindi nila mabola. Ito, mga kababayan ko, tingnan po natin ang balita. Ito po, mga kababayan ko. Naku, magugulat kayo dito. Nabulaga nga ba itong si John Vic dito? Naku po. Matindi tong balitang ito. Check po natin. Ito po, mga kababayan. Ano ito Ito.
So we'll be taking off from the DILG's anti-EPL policy, but there are lots more to talk about with our guest tonight. we have him in the flesh and in our hot seat. Interior Secretary. It's red. Interior Secretary John Vic Remulla. I'm kidding.
Natatakot na ako dito.
Thank you for joining us,
Thank you,
Secretary.
Seth.
O ayan, sa 1PH pala ito mga kababayan. Anong sinabi dito? Check natin. Ito po.
Ah. Veteran journalist Sis Drilon challenged DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla regarding his potential 2028 presidential bid. So, yan, yung question and answer nila hanggang napunta sa viral. Yung sagot ni Remulla, sabi niya, I will not run if he, meaning si PBBM, if he will not endorse me.
Ayan mga kababayan, yan yung yung nag-viral na post din natin. Na sinasabi nga ni John Vic Remulla, hindi raw siya tatakbo sa pagkapangulo hanggat walang basbas o hindi nagbigay ng bendisyon itong si BBM para tumakbo itong si John Vic Remulla. Kaya dito mga kababayan, si Ses Drilon na angkor ng One News PH yata ito, binulaga itong si John Vic. Ganon. Kahit bokya na ang survey, dalimdak na ito. Ikulilat ka sa survey, aantayin mo pa si BBM na bendisyonan ka. Hala, ito kaya ang sinabi mga kababayan. I-check na natin to.
So, viral yun. Ang hindi masyadong na-emphasize, yung response ni Ses Drilon. Sabi ni Ses Drilon, ito na yung pagbasag, supalpal. na nahimasmasan pa sa ano. Oh, sabi ni Ses Drilon, with his negative rating, Pangulo, negative rating, how can that endorsement mean anything?
Nako, basag na basag nga dito si John Vic mga kababayan. Negative 3 ang rating ni BBM. Antayin mo pa ang bendisyon niya. Mga kababayan, kaya si John Vic natulala ngayon. Oo nga no. Antayin ko pa ba na na i-endorse ako nito, lame duck na ito. Mga kababayan ko, check nga natin sinasabi ni dito po mga kababayan, ito po. Ano ba sinabi ni dito? Ito.
So, okay, let's take off from that anti-EPAL. Nakakatawa lang na we have to ban
I
our
know.
politicians, no, not politicians, but
Everyone,
civil
all-
servants,
yes.
and to do this, di ba?
Yes.
So, paano?
This actually stems from a memo of the Commission on Audit in 2014. But no one's ever paid attention to it. And then in the recent General Appropriations Act, nilabas nila doon as part of the provisions of General Appropriations Act, bawal that this is the anti-EPAL provision on it. So taking off from that, we reviewed the memo of COA and we sent out a
Parang giniling as
I don't know
Senator
how
Amy Marcos would put it. Di ba parang gano'n?
I don't know how the Senate and the Congress worked on this. I just saw the end result and we're just following what they put there.
So, how will you...
But you know what? I really believe that a good work sells itself. You don't have to put your face, name, image like this everywhere just to sell your story.
When you were in Cavite, did you do that?
Never. Really? Never. Never.
Your face hindi nakapaskel
Never.
sa mga,
Never.
or the name?
Never.
How will enforcement go, Secretary? That's always been
You know
our
what?
problem.
That's the least of our problems because yung social media pa lang. Diba? The minute you put your name there, ilalabas na nila kagad sa social media yan eh. Kaya, the millennials and the Gen Z and the Gen X, the Gen Z and the Gen Alpha pa. The
Zoomers.
Zoomers ba?
Zoomers.
Boomer, ikaw yun.
Ikaw din. Hindi ba? Okay, for that, talagang gaganti ako dyan. Okay lang. Pero deny my age.
Yung mga Gen Alpha pala. They're so
First
conscious.
zinger.
It's all over. They put it all over the web.
And
They
then,
put it all over. And then from there,
It's
we can
like
pick
a
it up.
shame campaign.
It's a shame.
Kaya pala bubulagain ni tinawag na boomer. Tinawag na boomer itong si Drilon. Check nga natin, ulitin natin to.
Go, Secretary. That's always
You
been
know
our
what?
problem.
That's the least of our problems because yung social media pa lang. Diba? The minute you put your name there, ilalabas na nila kagad sa social media yan eh. Eh, the millennials and the Gen Z and the Gen X, the Gen Z and the Gen Alpha ba? The
Zoomers.
Zoomers ba?
Zoomers.
Boomer, ikaw yun.
Ikaw din. Hindi ba? Okay, for that, talagang gaganti ako dyan. Okay lang. Pero deny my age.
Yung mga Gen Alpha pala. They're so
First
conscious.
zinger.
It's all over. It's all, they put it all over the web.
And
They
then?
put it all over.
Ayan mga kababayan, ano kayang ibabato ni Drilon dito? Ano bang sabi dito mga kababayan? You became friends, magkalaro sila, sabay naglaro ng mga olok nila. Says, thank you for your brave question. Put him in place. He is talking all the credit not due to him. Yabang niya. I'm starting to like him for national position. Natumal magsalita, kulang hilaw ang statemanship at matumal din magtrabaho. OMG sec. John Vic laughing, halaka. Remulla brothers are holding to powerful position. That's the best answer you can get. Are they abusing their power or they are just following the law? Galing mo magtanong, Miss Ses. Kaya nga lang I promise myself not to watch any of this guy insignificant interview hanggang mahuli niya ang the most wanted at marami pa ang nakakalusot sa kanya. Ganyan siya kahina, alaka. Puro tekal ka lang, John Vic. Tekal pa more. Tikal. Kaya pala panay present at papreskon. Halaka. Ito nga yun mga kababayan yung interview. Tignan nga natin.
And then
So
from there,
it's
we can
like
pick
a
it up.
shame campaign.
It's a shame campaign. That you know what, they're so hyper aware, and this memorandum circular will take care of itself.
So, pwede magsumbong? Sir?
Oo naman.
Paano?
Oo naman. Yeah, at the minute you post it, makikita naman namin eh. Mag-hashtag na yan, diba? Tapos makikita na lahat yan.
So you would say this already has a force of law because it's in the
Yes.
in the GAA.
And it's in the Commission on Audit
memo.
memo.
lang. Ah, okay.
Memorandum.
Okay. Sige, let's move now to the fugitives you're after.
Dami nun.
Oo nga, nagsabi ka pupunta ka daw Sweden o kung saan man, kung nasan si Saldico, una Portugal.
Yeah.
So what's the status there?
Zaldico is protected by his Portuguese passport.
Well, we knew that since last year,
Yeah,
right?
and our last recourse is to go through the United Nations Convention Against Corruption, where
Have we
member
done
agencies, we're studying the provisions of it. Pero ano na yan eh, Justice Department tsaka DFA, sila ang mag-a-apply niyan, hindi kami.
So no negotiations, you're no
No,
longer
no,
going.
there's no negotiations. There were feelers, but our
O ayan mga kababayan ko. Ito po.
Ebidensya
Yeah,
dyan.
it's cut and dried and alam na talaga yan.
Okay.
Sec, before when you were in another interview and you said you had operatives watching him in Portugal in his
Yes.
parang Forbes Park, I was figuring like how could there be operatives from the interior and local?
No, we have police attaches in Europe. So they can rotate in doing
So
that.
talagang as in, were there pictures sent to you of him?
No, it's very difficult. It's a gated community. You can leave in the middle of the night, hindi ka na mapapansin. Siyempre, we only have limited personnel. So it's not like we can watch him 24/7.
So it's not like totoong nandun siya, 100%
He's there.
positive.
100%. He's there 100%. We're sure that he is staying there in the outskirts of Lisbon. But to say that it's easy to catch him, it's not. But there are means, and we
Ayan mga kababayan, antayin po natin yung pagsuplak ni dito ni John Vic ni Ces Orenya dito.
are exploring those means.
Secretary, I'll go back to the 56 billion pesos or $1 billion. What does that entail? If he does give that back to the government, negotiations, ano ba to? House arrest? What's on the
Oh,
table?
no. He'll go to jail. He'll go to jail for sure. But the consequences now are very large since he's a fugitive from law. There's a presumption of guilt. And the government will go after everything he has. We will go after Misibis Bay, we will go after
Hindi pa ba na
Maidas,
yun?
Hindi pa, pero may
nag-garnish?
freeze orders na sa mga accounts.
Ayan mga kababayan, hindi nila mahuli-huli si Saldico. Eh sinasabi ng ng komento, tikal ka, matikal ka talaga. Sabi ng mga komento ito, oh. Where is Atong there? That is dumb question. Sana wag na kasi mas may magaling pa kay Sec John Vic pwedeng magpatakbo ng bansa. The audacity feeling mga hari, akala mo talaga binoto ng mga tao. There always be a time of reckoning. Halaka. Mga kababayan ko, yari na.
Pero eventually, we will garnish everything.
After the court gives its decision, pwede silang
Yes,
mag-decide
now-
in absentia.
Yes. No, he has to be tried first, but they will be frozen. And ang nakakawa dyan yung mga anak niya eh. Wala nang matitira talaga.
Sino ba kasama niya dyan sa Portugal?
Pamilya niya. His whole family is there. And I think even kapatid niya, ando doon eh. Ando doon rin eh.
You're
Nakakaawa
talking
yung
about
mga...
his brother?
Yes. Nakakaawa yung ano niya, yung mga empleyado niya. Six are
Ba't
in jail.
nakakaawa?
Six are in jail
Paano
kasi they're the
nakakaawa?
least guilty eh. Hindi naman sila committed dyan eh. Pumipirma lang sila eh. So pinapabayaan niya yung mga tao niya. Tapos he gets to hide.
So many already have come forward. Well, this might be a question not directed to you, but to your brother.
It should be. I don't know. Why are you asking me?
Well, because we're talking about Saldico. Which brings me to this question. I know I'll be jumping topic, but
Nako, eto na. Yayariin na ni Ses Orenya Drilon. Mabubulaga sa mga tanong nito kasi niyari boomer daw eh. Ngayon, ikaw naman ang yayariin ni Drilon dito.
sabi nila, these Remulla brothers are holding two powerful positions in government.
I know.
Who are the checks on the two of you?
What do you mean?
Sino nagre-renda sa? I mean, you have the ear of the president. Who?
Actually, the question is, are we abusing our power first?
Yes, that is
So-
actually the essence of the question.
Yeah, so if that is the question. The president, we enjoy the president's trust so far. Yeah.
Ayan mga kababayan, kaya pala inaantay niya yung basbas o bendisyon ni BBM dito. Hindi daw siya tatakbo or magkakaroon ng plans for 2028 presidential elections. Kung hindi, magbibigay ng kumpas si BBM. Negative 3 sa survey. BP Sara, 33 na, positive na. Halaka. Sabihin ni Ses Orenya Drilon, ganon? Aantayin mo pa ang basbas o bendisyon ni BBM? Negative 3. Lumagapak. Kumpara kay Sara. Parang ganon Tignan nyo po dito. Yayariin ni Ses Orenya Drilon to.
We have not put anything henceforth for him to even consider remotely that we are abusing the power. The president and the ombudsman do not speak. They're not allowed to. I get to
Pero
speak to my
you
brother.
get to speak to
I get to
him
speak to
and
my
you get to
brother.
speak to the president.
Yes, but there's nothing I cannot influence
Is there a
either.
China wall there?
No, I cannot influence either. Kung kilala mo si Boying, you knew him from college. They're the same batch. Si Boying.
Dinidiin mo talaga yung edad ko. Okay lang.
Same batch sila, di ba?
Matanda siya ng isang taon.
Oh, yeah. So, ano yun wala kaibigan yun Hindi siya pala kaibigan. So, he's a very reclusive person. Gusto niya, kasama niya, asawa niya lang, anak niya.
Kaya pala nabanatan ito ni Ses Orenya Drilon. Kasi nga, binabanatan niya di ba mga kababayan? Kaya ito, magbabanatan sila ngayon. Ito, makakahon si John Vic dito, mga kababayan.
Hindi kagaya mo.
Oo mas maano ko mas galaw-gaw talaga katawan ko
Okay, you enjoy the ear, you have the ear of the president. Was it your influence that led to the dismissal, the unceremonious dismissal of the previous PNP chief?
Oh no, not me. It was not the least influenced by me.
No?
There were internal differences.
Well, the story, what was going around was
Marites
mas
yan.
gusto
Marites
nila-
yan.
Yeah.
mas
Marites
gusto
yan.
mo si PNP chief Nartates.
Remember, I'm not the appointing authority. It's the president.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
you have his ear nga.
I have his confidence, not his ear. The president's very careful also. You cannot. I cannot approach him as a friend, which I used to before I became secretary.
How did you become friends?
Because my father was appointed as governor by his father.
So, bata ka pa?
Oo, kilala ko na.
Magkalaro ba kayo?
Hindi naman, kilala ko na sila. The Marcoses have never campaigned in Cavite at their expense. It's always at ours. Kasi kung walang Marcos, walang Rebulya. They gave my father the break to become governor. And we've been repaying,
So
it's an
hanggang
unrepaid
ano
debt.
na yan? Hanggang apuhan ng...
Hopefully, kami,
ng
we have
ama
stuck
mo.
with them. We stuck with them for 36 years. We never changed sides. Loyalists talaga kami.
No, I remember because FVR, okay, this is the benefit of age. I saw how FVR was, because your father shut him out
Yes, he
of
did.
and so your family suffered during
Yes,
the time.
95, my father lost as governor with the full weight of the government behind my father's
Epi
opponent.
Marco Velasco.
Talo tatay ko, nanalo ko. I won as board member, he lost as governor. So from then on, it took me 15 years of continuous work and strife and struggle to get back the governorship. But those 15 years purified me in a way that I didn't become a Nepo baby. It wasn't given to me. So I really had to work for every single vote.
But you have the name.
And so did my brother, but he lost. Diba? Gilbert lost in the elections. The name doesn't guarantee anything. Not in a pluralistic province like Cavite, where 80% of the people weren't born in Cavite. Or where their parents weren't born in Cavite. So the ties aren't that strong as like before.
What's going to happen to Cavite, Secretary? I mean, you're from there, but we see the other lawmakers from there. Of course, former Senator Revilla. Then we have Congressman Kiko Brazaga also in hot water, having a fresh. Is there? Of course, 2028 is just 2 years away. How are things going?
I think it'll be fine. We're all talking to each other.
Because there's also some scuttlebutt back to the Marites. No, they're saying, are they consolidating Cavite? Is that happening?
Well, we'll
Who's
see.
they? The Remulias, you mean?
Perhaps whoever's
Oh, no,
left
they-
there.
We're actually, Boying and I are planning our exit strategies na. So it's the next
Paano
generation.
exit strategy? May fixed term si Boying.
Oo nga. So exit na kami from local. Tapos na
Exit
kami.
ka na, tapos magna-national ka na.
Hindi.
Sa 2028.
This might be it. This might be the decision whether I go back to Cavite or
O, dito na magsisimula ang gera ng dalawa, mga kababayan. Ito po.
I retire. Yun ang,
Or aim for a higher post.
that's a
You've
possibility.
been floating that.
I
and
have
you
not
never
been floated.
denied it.
I've never floated it, but I've never denied it.
Well, the reason I bring that up is because you've been, we're happy in the media that you're available all the time, giving all these quotes. But do you think you've been a little too
Yes.
careless? Careless in your statements?
No.
Or,
Everything is
or to
calibrated.
what? To what? Yes, to
I'm
what?
too exposed. I should stop showing up. But I have so much work that the people have to know that the government is working, that there is stability, that we are doing what we're mandated to do.
Was that part of your?
Or it feeds into your possible national...
Well, that's the least of my concerns. I think if you do a good job, it'll sell itself. So the job will
So
sell itself.
what good job have you been doing? Sige nga.
Can I start with
O, kita nyo, mga kababayan. Nagsisimula na nga sumuntok si Ses Orenia Drilon dito na angkor. Naku po, yari na ito, mga kababayan. Sunod-sunod na yan.
the police matters?
Ikaw naman, then let's not play self-promotion here.
No.
Okay,
Honestly, I want to know.
Okay, PNP has been
Ano daw yung magandang ginawa niya? Ano daw yung trabaho na may magandang ginawa? Mga kababayan, check natin.
and is having now the highest trust rating in its history.
Low crime rate.
Low crime
Sige.
rate. Crime rate has gone down to 26%.
Mga kababayan, the low crime rate daw. Totoo ba ito, mga kababayan? Naku po.
In the last year that we've been there.
And what do you have to do with that?
Well, number one, when I arrived, we had a docket in the NAPOLCOM of 15,000 cases against policemen. So 25-year-old cases na hindi solved. In 1 year, we finished all of that. So now, if there's a complaint against a policeman, within 60 days, you will have a order either dismissed, suspended, or cleared.
And we can attribute that to you?
Because now you only have 60 days. Dati may docking fee. Parking
Because
fee.
of your directive?
Yes. Explicitly, NAPOLCOM finished its mandate, and now they only have 60 days. So the policeman is they have a generous pension. They have a generous pension, and to lose that is the biggest disincentive for bad behavior.
But I'd like to ask you about what the PNP is doing looking into the drug war, those involved in the drug war. I mean, it's politically explosive, yes. And you know, Senator Bato de la Rosa has a point. Why are we not trying, well, not necessarily his case, but the other policemen in the country? Ano ang, you've mentioned that you support this, but parang wala namang nangyayaring
clear
Kung
the
sa
issues
NAPOLCOM,
first,
sige, kung sa
Let's clear.
NAPOLCOM, sabi
Medyo namumula na. Seryoso na ang tanong.
mo 60 days. Hindi ba pwedeng sa NAPOLCOM yun?
Hindi.
Okay, sige.
It is the Justice Department which has to do the case build-up against them. Now,
Okay,
we'll give you some facts. 6,000 directly attributable to the drug war. 6,000 deaths. 4,000 of them said died of natural causes, heart attack. Pero may buto sa
Kaya
diba,
nga.
yung postmortem nila, di ba? Kung hihingi ka ng police report, wala. Hihingi ka ng case study, wala. Hihingi ka ng case build-up, wala. There is no attributable person to whom it is. So how do you do it? You have to solve it from the top going down. You can never solve it from
So
the
do you
bottom
support
going up.
formation of a truth commission?
Yes, of course.
You do?
I talked to it with the bishops,
Okay.
and we agreed. And there's a timeline set that we're about to convene soon, and they want to form a truth commission, and we will be open. We will be transparent on how we do it.
But right now, there's also a lot of issues still with the PNP, despite this low crime rate. Of course, you were in the news just earlier this week for the Millenido case,
Yeah.
and then
Yeah,
the
but that's not
Kausay.
the PNP issue. That's a
That's a personal issue.
That's a personal
yeah, but
issue.
they're still involving like
it's a,
No, but it involves
Crime.
within the organization.
it involves a policewoman who's with a child who was killed by an ex-policeman. She was the
Talawag.
victim of a crime. So that, and the other one was he was following up a police asset
Yes,
for
asset.
drugs, and he was killed by that asset.
So you're saying it's not
It's
na
not
walang
it's
pattern ng-
hindi policeman
Hindi siya
gone
police
wrong.
problem.
Hindi siya policeman, hindi police problem. Kawawa yung pinatay na
Pero
policewoman.
talaga bang case closed na yun?
Oh, case
Sigurado
closed.
ka ba
We're
dyan?
sure. We're 100% case closed. The only undetermined portion is the participation of the
the
husband.
husband, right?
Ayun na lang.
Yeah.
Yeah. That
Who
we have
is
to
also an active
active
Active.
service.
policeman. Yeah.
Yes. But from all indications, he was not there. But we still have to establish the link, whether he planned it with them and what he had to gain. Because they've been separated for 3 years. And the only gain would have had was the pension of his wife, which he readily gave up to his children already. So, but the couple, the gang, the couple and the sister who killed them, who killed the wife, swears that it was the husband who did it,
Oo nga
who
eh.
ordered it. So,
So-
he's in restrictive custody. We're investigating everything, and we
So
will.
hindi pa yung case closed?
Alam na namin kung sino pumatay. Yung accessory na lang.
Eh, yun nga mga kababayan, sinasabi na kasi na case close, agad-agad. Sinasabi ni Sis Orenya, hindi pa. Iniimbestigahan pa yung asawa eh. Ba't mo sinasabi na case close na? Yan ang sinasabi natin. Sabi ni Sis Orenya Drilon.
Kung kasama talaga o hindi.
There's
Yun ang
also
ibig kong sabihin eh. Ay, sorry.
No. Kasi ano na lang yan, collateral na lang siya eh. Pero kung sino pumatay, paano pinatay, saan pinatay,
Teka,
sino pinatay, lahat.
Sige.
lahat.
Pwede ko lang balikan yung Truth Commission. Anong timeline? Within the year?
Yes, within the year, it'll start.
O ito na naman mga kababayan, may Truth Commission na naman na sinasabi. Pero yung mga kinulong wala pa mula December 15, 25 hanggang 31, yung mga big fish wala pa.
Sec, you also did a press con earlier this week about the illegal cigarettes. You did not name two Luzon politicians that are probably involved. But what's disturbing to me is you arrested a lot of Chinese trafficked workers. So does that mean, have you figured out, are these trafficked Chinese nationals?
No.
Were they from the Pogos? Is it a whole
it's
different?
different.
Okay.
These Chinese arrived March. The chief mechanic who made things run arrived March of 2025. So by then there were no more Pogos. The rest arrived December 2025. So that makes it 6. Ang human trafficking nila were the workers inside. They were made to live in subhuman conditions. Literally, just yung yero lang. Nakapatong sa kahoy. Tapos kutsyon na, hindi walang kulambo eh. Walang bintana. Walang kulambo, walang electric fan, walang kuryente. May isang mobilya lang. Pero shared bathroom for 60 people, 2 bathrooms. They were,
Administration.
yes, in the infancy of the Pogo industry. In fact, I think it was
Ngayon.
It was, after we sold it, it was sold to EEI. I think a month and a half ago. That was 2017.
At what price?
Safe to say we paid almost $500 million in taxes.
That much.
That much. We paid
O mga kababayan, sabi, national crime rate has gone down. Totoo kaya ito mga kababayan? Naniniwala ba kayo na yung national crime rate has gone down? Nako po mga kababayan. I doubt it. Sabi ng mga komento.
the full amount. We didn't hide anything. We showed all the receipts. So it was an above-board transaction.
This used to be Covlandian.
Yeah, my father built it in
Oh,
1976.
naalala ko yan dahil pumupunta kami
Kahit
dyan.
ako,
nung
naalala ko rin
maliliit
yun.
pa
Island
kami.
Cove.
Nakapunta na rin ako, Island Cove.
Hindi, Covlandia kasi yung
Tapos yung Island Cove.
1976.
Since pa na yung diin ni secretary na...
Naka-short pants pa ako sa Lasal.
Secretary, I wanted to get an update as well on the other fugitives that you are looking for. Senator Bato de la Rosa.
He's
What's the
not a
latest?
fugitive.
So he's not a fugitive.
He's not. There's no warrant of arrest for him.
Why did your brothers say that there was an arrest warrant out? What was that about?
Ayan mga kababayan, nagkakontra-kontra itong magkapatid. Sabi ni kuya niya, si Boying, meron na, pero siya, wala pa. Ano ba talaga? Diba? Ito yung sinasabi ni Ses Orenya.
What he saw was a communications of within ICC, which says that there might be an impending, but he didn't actually.
So
see
he saw it from your desk?
No, he just told me about it. I didn't even see it.
He didn't show you what he saw.
No, he didn't.
So,
He
kwento
didn't.
lang.
Yeah, I didn't want to see it either because then I'd have to lie to you. So, buti nang I have deniability, diba? So, I didn't see it. So, as far as I am concerned, there is none. As far as the DFA is concerned, there is none. As far as Malacanang is concerned, there is none. But there might be. So,
But
it
you're
might
also
be coming.
keeping tabs on him.
Yes, it's in Davao.
Yeah.
It's
You always
Davao, his
say,
family.
riding
We're
his
neighbors, We're neighbors in
motorcycle.
Cavite.
Yeah.
We live mga 500 meters apart.
Mahaba pa yung listahan ni Pauline sa fugitive.
Pero si Senator Bato, abandoned na daw yung bahay niya.
Abandon na. Oh, in Silang. We live mga half kilometer away.
Yeah.
We
He has
thought
6
parang
houses.
Saywar ninyo ba yan? O ano?
No, it's true. It's just abandoned. It's so
No,
sad.
I meant yung
No,
warrant.
not at all. Not at
Kikita nyo, parang saywar lang, kaya pinagtago si Bato. Tinakot lang si Bato.
all. I tried to reach out to him nga and through his friends. I mean, there is no arrest warrant, diba? And you have the new rules of the Supreme Court gave the procedures of how if it is to be extradited. May recourse na siya, diba? Unlike before. So he has that available in law. So the congressman who was caught playing
In the sauna.
Isabong. Oh, diba?
Watching.
That was
Watching.
his...
That was the transmission from Cambodia.
from Cambodia.
Okay, what about, if you're confident that he's here, let's move on to his security. Obviously, Atong Ang would have a lot of security.
Yes.
Are some of them still active in the service, you think?
the-
You think he has hooks on the PNP, even before your time, Sec?
Not now. The 17 that he had are all in jail. The ones he used to kill the hundreds of Bugueros. They're all in. They're all now. Ayun, we acted immediately because they were under our control. We put them in restrictive custody for over a year during the investigation. So they were
It's
arrested
hard to
easily.
say that, though, that like to be 100%
Yeah.
certain that, nobody is leaking
Oo, malamang
info.
meron yung mga
It's a.
deep
I mean, that's
okay.
Atong Ang, like
Let's
you said.
keep it real. It's a big organization.
Correct.
225,000. You can't expect it to be
And
leak-proof.
magkano yung reward?
10
10
million.
million.
10 million. I'm still looking, pero wala
Well,
pa.
we just might increase it pretty soon just to appeal to the grid. So people think we're not serious. We're serious. The other day we caught the killer of the other policeman involved in the drugs, and I gave the reward was there. Binigay talaga namin.
Were there really remains DNA matching that was done?
None. So the charges against Atong Ang are forced disappearances and serious illegal detention, which are
Ayan, mga kababayan.
Patriarch.
yes, for 14 years.
Okay, so, and then here you are benefiting from
But I came 15 years after.
okay. Talked about how, for a time, your father was held Cavite.
Yes, he was.
He was the patriarch.
Yes, for 14 years.
Okay, so, and then here you are benefiting from
But I came 15 years after.
okay, sige na nga. But are you open to this law being passed and for limits to be put? Kasi merong fat and thin, ano ba yung
Wala na ako.
May tall,
May
may
obese,
tall.
obese ba? May obese.
I am not part of that conversation.
Ay, ilan kayong mga Remulla in office?
It's my elected, ah?
Yes,
elected?
yes, elected.
Elected, it's my two nephews and my niece. So tatlo sila. And
Those are the children of the ombudsman.
yes,
right?
the children of Ombudsman.
All of
Yes,
them.
all of
Ikaw,
All the
wala
three.
ka pang...
No,
Your kids, are they going to... into
No, I
politics?
have the four girls. One's a physicist, one's a lawyer, one's an artist, one's still in school. Then my son is only 17, so they're not entering
Okay.
government anytime soon.
So, what's your
if it arrives,
position?
I have no position. Whatever they pass.
What do you mean you have no position?
Okay. You're incredulous right away. My gosh.
Because I have no position. What's your
Did
statement?
you see her face? She's incredulous right away. Okay,
Because-
let me, hindi pa ako
give me a
tapos,
chance
binabara mo
to
na ako
explain.
eh.
Sige, okay.
Okay, my position is,
Ayan, nagkakabarahan na mga kababayan. Ito na. Umiinit na. Dito na mabubulaga ito.
okay, whatever they pass and they say we're not allowed, it is like a meteor hitting the earth and it's an extinction event. Tapos na kami. We're done. We won't fight it. We're done. Whatever the law says and what they pass, we're done.
So if that gets passed, no more running for president in 2020.
Okay, we're
Ako
only talking
nagtanong,
about-
ako
we're
nagtanong.
only talking about dynasties here. We're done.
Parang
We're done.
inamin na niya kanina eh.
Ito na.
We're done.
Eh, di ba?
Wala ko
No, he just said he's open. He's not closing his door.
What you said, Secretary, was that you have the
Okay.
experience, the executive experience.
Yes, being in the cabinet really opened my eyes to what the country is all about, how to make it, how it runs, what makes it difficult, who are the best people around.
O ito mga kababayan, sinasabi niya na kung tatakbo daw siya bilang presidente, alam niya paano patakbuhin ang bansa, alam niya yung problema, alam niya yung mga tao na kukunin niya para maging systematic ang pagpapatakbo ng Pilipinas. Eh, parang ganun yun eh. Ulitin natin ha.
We won't fight it. We're done. Whatever the law says and what they pass, we're done.
So if that gets passed, no more running for president in 2020.
Okay, we're
Ako
only talking
nagtanong,
about,
ako
we're
nagtanong,
only
hindi
talking
ko-
about dynasties here. We're done.
Parang
We're
inamin
done.
na niya kanina eh.
We're
Yeah.
done.
Eh, di ba?
Wala ko
No, he just said he's open. He's not closing his door.
What you said, Secretary, was that you have the
Okay.
experience, the executive experience.
Yes, being in the cabinet really opened my eyes to what the country is all about, how to make it, how it runs, what makes it difficult, who are the best people around, what to look out for, what are the red flags, what are the friction costs around, what makes it difficult, what makes it easy. Those things are what you learn firsthand. seeing it firsthand.
And knowing all that, it didn't scare you away.
No, it's one of the most thrilling experiences you can ever have, is to serve in the cabinet. Because you're in the room where decisions are made. And showing up in that room means a lot. Even just listening means a lot.
So does that, did your being in the cabinet, has it increased the chances or the openness of your mind to a possible run in 2020?
It's always been open. I cannot lie to you, but whether or not I will is the question. So
You
Yeah,
did
fair
say,
enough.
Secretary, you have 36 years of loyalty, the Remullans to the Marcoses.
more than already 40 years. 40 years na.
4
86
decades.
eh. No, 79 pa kami magkasama. So more than.
That's
Would an
46.
endorsement of President Marcos for 2028 be a big thing for you?
I will not run if he doesn't endorse me.
O, kita nyo mga kababayan, I will not if he doesn't endorse me. Dito na mayayari si Remulla kay Miss Orenia Drilon.
Ooh, that's new.
With its negative ratings, how can that endorsement mean anything?
Mga kababayan, sa kabila ng negative rating, paano magkakaroon ng this endorsement to you? John Vic Remulla, it cannot help you to win the president in 2028. Nabulaga siya. Tignan niyo mga kababayan na.
Is the question. So
You
Yeah,
did
fair
say,
enough.
Secretary, you have 36 years of loyalty, the Remullans to the Marcoses.
more than already 40 years. 40 years na.
4 decades.
eh. No, 79 pa kami magkasama. So more than.
That's
Would an
46.
endorsement of President Marcos for 2028 be a big thing for you?
I will not run if he doesn't endorse me.
Ooh, that's new.
With its negative ratings, how can that endorsement mean anything? It's
I
the
serve
ano,
at the it's the it's a family thing.
the
It's the confidence
network,
thing.
it's the machinery.
No, you're so cynical.
Yes.
Can't you be positive, diba? We're here trying to paint a rosy
I've been
picture
in
and you.
this, I've
whatever I
been
say,
in
you're
this
always-
chair
You're
and
incredible. You're incredulous right away.
Realist.
Diba? You're incredulous. I'm trying
because
to talk in poetry. You beat me up with prose. Diba?
So would it be safe to say that if
that
you
was
get
poetry.
so if you get the BBM's
No,
endorsement,
let's not go there. Let's not
it'll
go there.
increase your.
Let's not go there.
Speculative
good,
na. Sige.
Good work will always sell
Pakawalan na
itself.
natin si Secretary
Good
kasi
luck.
baka may mabulaklak pang poetry ang lumabas sa kanyang mga bibig.
You beat me up with prose.
Ayan mga kababayan, nabulaga. Isipin mo, sasabihin na hindi ako tatakbo pag hindi ko inendorso o binasbasan ni BBM. Ha? Are you crazy? In spite of negative ratings, it cannot help you to win. John Vic Remulla, ayun. Nangyari, ayan, hindi na makapagsalita. Kumbaga, binara na lang mga kababayan. Kumbaga, inano na lang, tinigil na lang yung interview kasi nga nakakahiya na. Negative rating. Okay? O, ano masasabi nyo mga kababayan? Isang like, isang share, isang subscribe. Ano masasabi nyo? May papanalo ba si John Vic Remulla kung si BBM ang nag-endorse dito? Para tumakbo sa pagkapangulo sa 2028, lalabanan si Sara? I doubt it, mga kababayan ko. Okay? For transparency, for a better democracy. Mabuhay po.